Playa del Ingles Beach is a famous beach located in the south of Gran Canaria Island, Spain. With a stretch of fine golden sand stretching over 3 kilometers, Playa del Ingles is an ideal destination for those who love sunbathing and outdoor activities. This area is famous for its warm climate all year round, rich tourist services, and modern amenities. On Playa del Ingles Beach, the image of girls wearing bikinis walking creates a special attraction. With bikinis of all colors and designs, they highlight their healthy and vibrant beauty. The girls confidently walk on the golden sand, their hair fluttering in the sea breeze, making the scene more lively and attractive than ever. Playa del Ingles is located in the south of Gran Canaria Island, Spain, famous for its warm and temperate climate all year round. The average temperature ranges from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, along with bright sunshine and little rain, making it an ideal holiday destination regardless of the season. Playa del Ingles Beach stands out with its majestic natural beauty, where the long stretch of fine golden sand blends with the clear blue sea under the bright sunlight. The vast sand dunes create a majestic scene, bringing a sense of peace and relaxation to visitors. On the beach, the image of girls in bikinis sunbathing is charming and full of life. Playa del Ingles has a great influence on the tourism industry of Spain, especially for the Canary Islands. With its strategic location and amazing natural beauty, this beach attracts millions of visitors every year from all over the world. Marine tourism plays an important role in Spain's economy and culture. With thousands of kilometers of stunning coastline, from the Costa Brava, Costa del Sol to the Canary and Balearic Islands, Spain is one of the world's top destinations for beach lovers. Join us in discovering amazing journeys and experiencing memorable moments on the Wandering Channel. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos about fascinating places, beautiful beaches like Fort Lauderdale, and exciting activities around the world.